50% of people regularly cough. So again, another reason why I wanted to do this series, because I have so many clients that just have that chronic COVID cough or long
Yes.
haul cough or whatever you want to call it. But it's just that chronic thing that they just can't seem to get rid of. And over 50% of the people are worried about chemtrails and chemicals and industry pollutants and things like that. And all of this is very related because what I really did after our last series was I kind of dove into what is our air quality? Like, why do people just wake up and they're waking up coughing?